Now we've done our underpainting and we've chosen a color palette, and we're going to go to canvas next. What Brushstroke has here is a variety of different surfaces that you would do a regular painting on. Everything from canvas to linen to paper to rock, any kind of surface that will give it a little more texture, make it look more like a real painting, but also it's going to change the color and the light slightly. Different, adjustments here will do that. If you go to canvas, and I have it at 100, when you look at this up close, you will see that it has all the little sort of bumps and woven texture of a canvas. If you want to do that, if you want to make that less, so it's not quite as strong, a rough canvas. So again, you're going to have different textures behind all the different colors and the other choices that you've made. You can use paper. If you use vintage paper, it's going to change a little bit of the shading and the tones of the colors. Again, all of this depends on what the photograph is that you're working on. Whether it's light or dark, what the lighting of the actual photograph is, what the colors are in it. It's all going to change depending on the choices you make. And this, as I said, is what makes each painting unique. So you just have so many choices. If you want to make it blue, that's going to bring out more blue in both the foreground and the background. Some things will have very little effect. Some things will have a much larger effect. See that? I hit burlap, and it took a lot of the detail away that we had there. There's wood, there's particle board, rock, stone. See the texture change in that? It looks like the striations of a type of rock. Stucco is a little bit smoother. Some of the papers are really good, like linen can bring out more of the different shades and tones of the colors and make your painting look a little more delicate, a little more detailed. So again, there are a lot of choices here. Recycled paper, folded paper, ridged paper. All these things are going to give your painting a little bit of a different look and a little bit more refinement so that you get something that's even more detailed, or the color is more saturated, or the color is more adjusted and more delicate. Whichever one you choose is going to change your painting and make it the painting that you want. Okay, so the next step, we're almost done now, is to make the final adjustments, really detailed adjustments. So we'll be doing that in the next lesson.